super excited to see everybody out at the Harvest Fest at James Creek Cider House, October 20th.
It will be from 4 p.m. to 6:30 here in Moore County, and it'll be a bunch of local chefs that paired up with local farmers to present food to you guys. I'll be doing a dessert, so I'll be paired up with the James Creek Cidery orchard, so I'll be doing something with apples and fall related.
We'll be preparing a pork belly lollipop featuring Master Blend Farms. It'll have a pecan syrup and a peach yuzu ginger caviar. Absolutely fantastic, mind-blowing.
At the Harvest Fest, we're going to be featuring Moore County mushroom risotto. We'll have some mushrooms that are grown here locally in Moore County. We're going to do it with some pea shoots from Conscious Cultivator.
So please join us. All proceeds are helping out the victims of Hurricane Helene. Really great cause. Hope to see you there.
And we hope to see you all there.
Looking forward to seeing you there October 20th.